So a quick tip that Google rendered to my husband in how to get rid of hiccups fast is to get you a cup of cold water. I'm gonna try to demonstrate this the best way I can. You know, normally we go here with our cups like that. Instead of doing that, you're going to take your mouth to the top part of the cup. You're going to bend over. You're going to slowly allow that water to reach your mouth and just start drinking slowly. Not even long, just for a few seconds. I would say maybe like 10 seconds, if that. Okay, so instead of putting your mouth here, okay, you're going to put your mouth here. Can y'all see that? Right here. So you're going to bend over until the water is going into your mouth, okay? I don't know who came up with this, but it's like instantaneously it's gone. Your hiccups are gone. So that's my little tip for you guys. Get rid of your hiccups. Cold water. Put your mouth at the top of the cup. Bend over and tilt that cup over till the water is going into your mouth, and just drink it slowly, and you should get rid of your hiccups. And I'm sure if you are able to coach and guide a child to do this, watch them, make sure they don't gulp the water, then they will be able to get rid of their hiccups as well.